Hi everybody, welcome to the kitchen. I'm your kitchen beautician, Robin McDonald. Today I'm so excited. We're doing free bubble bath homemade recipes. And why? Sodium lauryl sulfate, bad. Sodium cocoa sulfate, good. Now, this is the deal. Sodium lauryl sulfate, it's what creates foam and bubbles in your shampoos and bubble baths. And we're kind of moving away from that. We've discovered it's a bit of an irritant now. It's always better to go natural anyway, right? So what we're going to start with is Dr. Bronner's soap. Now you can buy this at any health food store. I'm using the unscented baby mild version so that the kids can use this too. So it's a great recipe for kids. A little bit of coconut oil. Oh, by the way, I've got about, I eyeballed it with a soap with the Dr. Bronner's. It's about 1/4 cup. You're going to want to use a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now you're going to see how this is going to liquefy once we get it in the bowl. All right, sometimes I'm not totally prepared, but you get the idea. With heat, this will liquefy. So, the coconut oil is a moisturizer. It's a natural humectant. Great for the skin. And our crushed lavender. Now, the lavender is something that's, probably not just lying around your house. But you can pick this up at health food stores as well, as long as they have dried herbs. And I'm just going to use a little bit. I've got 2 cups of water. And we're going to work that. Now the coconut is really starting to liquefy, you can see in there. Use your whisk, get it nice and, foamed up. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Who wouldn't want to jump into this? Throw this into your bathtub. The kids will love it. Little rubber ducky action. It's always fun. And there you have it, your free homemade bubble bath recipe with sodium cocoa sulfate. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. I'm Robin McDonald, your kitchen beautician. Visit me at yourkitchenbeautician.com, and I'll see you next time.